One of the best ways to finish raw or fraying edges is by using bias tape. Some people, especially beginner sewists, find it tricky to sew a bias tape. But in this video, I will show you a very simple method to get it done. Basically, a bias tape provides a versatile way to finish raw edges, fraying edges, unfinished edges on fabric, particularly around curved seams like necklines and armholes, or any raw, fraying or rough edges even. So I am making this stylish skirt and it has these raw edges that I want to finish with the bias tape. Need I say that the bias tape comes in different sizes from half an inch upward, and choosing which size to be used depends solely on the designer. Anyway, I am using the half an inch bias tape in this video. So this is how it looks like. It is 1 inch in total with 1/4 inches folded onto the half inch like so. This 1/4 inch fold will be placed in alignment to the raw edge or fraying edge of the fabric. Then I will sew it down. This is what I mean. This is the bias tape that I will be using, and this is the 1/4 inch fold that I will be aligning with the raw or fraying edge. So I align the bias tape to the raw edge of the skirt like this. I like to fold in the beginning of the tape for extra neatness. As you can see, my edges are well aligned, and now I will sew, but I ensure to sew on the 1/4 fold line like so. So once I sew to the end of the fabric, I will cut off the bias tape, leaving some excess that I will fold in like I did in the beginning, and I sew it down, and that's it. This is what it looks like at this point. This is the part I just sewed, and this is what the back looks like. At this point, I will fold it and then stitch it down, trying as much as possible to maintain a straight stitch line. At this point, you can decide to use a blind hem foot or hand needle to sew it down so that the stitches don't show on your garment. But I don't mind it showing, so I will be sewing with a machine. So I'm close to the end, and I will just fold the bias tape in like so, and that's it. No more raw or fraying edges. Instead, I now have a neat hem. So guys, that's it basically. If you have any questions, thoughts or observations, kindly drop them in the comment section and I will respond to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe too, please. Alright guys, and have yourself some fabulous time.